Hi guys, Colin here from Sailing into Wellness. We've been working hard to ensure our company team building days are fun and energetic for your staff and deliver value for your business, just like we did with teams from Johnston & Perrott, Cloudera and Pep Talk. So think about something a bit different for your team this Christmas, something that fosters collaboration, creativity and communication. Join us at the National Yacht Club in Dún Laoghaire for sailing and dinner this 2019. It's a Christmas party with a difference because supporting us, you are helping to create real social change. All of the proceeds go to funding directly our work with the community groups in mental health and addiction recovery. So to support a great cause while having your Christmas party with a difference, find us at sailingintowellness.ie.